Hey guys, if you're like me, you probably have a bunch of these receipts lying around and it's tax season and you're probably wondering, I'm wondering how am I going to get all of these in? So there's actually an app I'm going to show you that lets you do this almost instantly. It's called SageMaster. Just watch. So I'm going to show you this website called SageMaster It basically lets you take a photo of all this and helps you organize your stuff like contracts, agreements, and even receipts. So I have an account already, so I'll go get started on that, and it's going to show me a whole bunch of stuff here. So these receipts, I'm going to create them in a different collection by just taking a photo. So you can see that I just put them together and just took a photo. Snap and forget. It's going to have it's going to upload this. It takes a few seconds to do, uploads the file. You can do this multiple times. You can add more photos, but I'm just going to show you guys this one. So once that upload is done, it asks me to give this document a name. So I can call this, maybe you can call this shopping receipts or something. Or you can add it to an existing collection that you have earlier. So give it a description and you say save. And that's it. So document created successfully. And inside here I have shopping receipts. I can now go in there and get this thing to give me a bunch of, I can get it to give me a summary, give me a detailed explanation, a whole piece of that. So just go in here, explain this document in detail. Or I say, how much did I spend in total? And this thing is going to analyze this. So you can see the receipt, the photo we just took right here, the first receipts from Freshco. Second receipt. Oh wow, this is so cool. Like it broke everything down, even the items. So I can even go and ask it, how much did I pay in GST? So if you're like a contractor, you try to keep track of some of these things, and you know how important this is. And based on information, this is how much you paid the GST in Freshco. This is how much it was a big box. So in total, this is how much I've actually spent on GST. And it even analyzes all of that. Now, the cool part is that I have more receipts, so I can actually add more of those to this. So being that I can put together another set, like for example, I spent quite a few on gas. I spent some other things here, so I'm just going to show you guys. I have more receipts right there. I just take another set of photos right there. Sorry, let me just go back here. I'm just going to go in here, upload a new set, take a new set of photos right there, use photo. Now this is going to upload this batch, and in this case I will just add this to the existing, I'm not creating a new one, so I just add this to my existing shopping receipts that I created earlier and I have saved. So pretty cool, right? And at this point you can see even the previous receipts, you can see the details of transactions and things like that. So I can go in there and ask it the same thing to explain in detail, or I ask it the question like, how much did I spend? Or give me a breakdown, for example. Maybe it's tax season and all that. So yeah, you can see it's pulled out all those receipts. So you see there were 8 more, it's added them. So Ace Liquor, yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff right here added to the existing one. So I think you guys should go try this app out. It's called SageMaster AI. It is so cool. I'll send you a link if you want. And yeah, have a good one.